Hello everyone, this is Aditya Managapati. In this session, I'm going to show you how to register for a Jira trial version. Please follow the steps. So Jira is a uh, agile process management tool, and I will show you how to register for it by using your email ID. First, observe it, then go ahead and register for that tool. Then we will look into each aspect of it. So if you want to go and register, just go to Google and type Jira trial version. So you are going to get the links like this. So click on the first link, start your free trial. So this is how it is going to be done. So click on this, start your free trial. And you will get three options here: Jira Software, Jira Software plus documentation, Jira Software plus help desk. I'm going to choose the first option, that is Jira Software here. Click on try it for free. Now you have to sign up by filling this form. So here it is going to ask you to enter the email ID and the site name. So I'm going to enter the valid sorry, let me try another browser. Some cookie issues are there here. Yeah, so this is how the page is going to be visible to you. And if you want, you can register by using your Google ID. Else, click on sign up with email and fill the required information here. So I'm going to fill my information. Give the valid email ID because you are going to get the link to activate the software. So it is going to work only for 7 days, and it's a very small tool. Even for learning purpose, it is not going to take so much time. Then enter the password. Remember the password so that you can access it again. Enter your first name and the last name and click on agree and sign up. Yeah, you have to solve this puzzle. I missed one. So we have emailed you a verification link to this ID. So we have to go and check that and we have to activate that. So let me open my Gmail account. Enter the password. And here you are going to get a link like this. Atlassian, from Atlassian or from this particular company, you are going to get a link. Please verify your email address link. You have to click on S, verify me. And here you have to provide a site name. So for your project, you can give one of the site name like my new project. So it should be unique. It should not be there in their database. So I'll give some kind of naming convention, which is going to be accepted. So here you have to give the site name. So my new project 123 I have given. Don't try to give the same thing. It is not going to accept. It should be unique. So by just changing some numbers or characters, you just try to make it unique. Now click on continue. And here it will ask you to enter some information, or it will ask you to invite your team. So wherever the skip option is available, please use skip option to skip these sections. Help us set up your Jira. So I'm new. It is asking again, giving the options. I'm just clicking on skip. And you have 3 boards are available like Kanban, Scrum, bug tracking. You have to select the Scrum here, the middle one. Click on select. And now give the project name. So my first project. So this is the name I am going to give. So it need not to be unique. Even you can give the same name as well if you want. And then click on create. Your project is going to be ready. And you will be landing into the main page where you can add the product backlog, or where you can do different other operations. So this is the main window, and this is the place backlog page where you will be, the product owners are going to be adding all their product backlog.